following areas in Connecticut: southern Fairfield, southern New Haven, southern Middlesex, southern New London, northern Fairfield, northern New Haven, northern Middlesex and northern New London, and the following areas in New Jersey: western Passaic, eastern Passaic, Hudson, western Bergen, western Essex, western Union and eastern Union, and the following areas in New York: Orange, Putnam, Rockland, northern Westchester, southern Westchester, Manhattan, Bronx, Staten Island, Brooklyn, northwest Suffolk, southwest Suffolk, northern Queens, northern Nassau, southern Queens, southern Nassau, northeast Suffolk and southeast Suffolk. Wind advisory in effect from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Wednesday. The National Weather Service in New York has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Wednesday. Locations: the entire tri-state area. Hazards: strong gusty winds. Winds, northwest 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Timing: strongest winds will be during the daylight hours. Impacts: isolated to scattered power outages as weak trees and tree limbs get knocked down. These winds will also make travel difficult for high-profile vehicles. A wind advisory is issued when sustained winds of 31 to 39 miles per hour, or gusts of 46 to 57 miles per hour, are expected or occurring. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Here is the latest weather map discussion.